GAMES goes green through and through. Gulayan sa Paaralan program of General Gregorio S. Alonia Sr. Memorial Elementary School is a green and bountiful expanse wherein there is no barren land, for every part has a sprout and blooming. The school's GPP has so much to offer. Its area, measuring to 400 square meters, is filled with life and blessing. Green is thriving and flourishing. Every space screams of abundance. And there is more. The program thrived in 2005 through the collaborative efforts and initiative of the school principal and GPTA officers. From that year up to 2015, the school was very consistent in being an impactful and significant implementer of Gulayan sa Paaralan and was emulated by neighboring schools. In 2014, few teachers from the school had the chance to study visit Thailand and adopt some of the country's good practices. This paved the way for the school to garner awards for bio-intensive and bio-aero gardening and third place for division-wide GPP Best Implementer in 2017. The latest recognition of the school is being the first place for the division-wide search for Gulayan sa Paaralan Best Implementer in school year 2020 to 2021. GAMES GPP indeed continues to grow and prosper. Crop integration. 100% of the GPP lot was utilized wherein there is a wide area for bountiful yields such as fruit vegetables, leafy vegetables, root vegetables, indigenous plant materials, and indigenous herbal plants. Crop production system. The GPP coordinator had joined a webinar about crop production and evidently applied his learnings in managing the program. Artistry in growing vegetables in container gardening was shown with the use of recyclable materials which are painted with different colors. Various designs of plastic containers added to the beauty of the garden into the element of being environment friendly. In gardening production, the use of trellis is obviously practiced, making room for crawling vegetables and vine. Organic fertilizers were used to produce healthier crops at a low cost. The use of intercropping or crop rotation to maintain the nutrition and minerals in the soil. Planting the same crops in a specific area may affect the soil's capacity to produce good harvest. Thus, the mentioned gardening technique is applied. Soil activator from UPLB Biotech is also being applied, which helps in fast decomposition of waste materials. Through the mentioned practices, the quality and quantity of harvests are sustained. There were good harvests of various vegetables and crops. Pests in gardens are unavoidable. To address this, proper pest management was employed, such as planting of botanical plants in which plants' extracts were being sprayed to plants to eliminate pests and using other pest control devices. Product utilization. GAMES GPP supports a school-based feeding program. The canteen teacher coordinated with the garden teacher to provide fresh and nutritious meals for the school's supplementary feeding to SDFP beneficiaries. During this pandemic, since children cannot go to school for SBFP, the school reached out to children and parents and to the community through the launching of GAMES's Community Plantry, a project which aims to share the harvest to the indigents. The initiative doesn't stop there because the Community Plantry also provides and donates seeds and seedlings for those who want to engage in urban gardening. This is also done to promote health and sustainability and to motivate and inspire parents to engage in quarantanim or in having gulayan sa tahanan. The undertaking also makes the parents aware of the nutrition education, which encompasses the importance of knowing the vitamin and mineral content of every produce to provide healthy meals for their children. The aim is also rooted from the former program of the school named GARNESUP, or Garden Nutrition Education Supplementary Feeding. Speaking of sustainability, one way of ensuring that the seeds will be sufficient for upcoming productions, seed production is practiced supplying the GPP seed bank. The school also gained partners wherein seed exchange is done not just for the school's gain but also to share what the school has that may benefit other institutions. GPP of Biclatan Annex, LGU of Barangay Biclatan, City Agriculturist Office of Gentry, and IIRR or International Institute of Rural Reconstruction are some of the partners of GAMES. This is why this is not just for the GPP sustainability but the community as well. The school's GPP has also engaged to integrated farming wherein livestock and poultry raising are also being undertaken. Rabbits are also being raised and one of which already gave birth to more cute bunnies. Soon, a fish pond will also be built to add up to the beauty of the area. The GPP coordinator continues to make innovations for the program's upgrading. He created a GAMES GPP page which had reached a lot of viewers. He also engaged to vlogging to showcase his skills and knowledge about his craft. The program has touched many lives and reached out to a lot of people. With the technical assistance given by the EPP Education Program Supervisor, Sir Rami R. Dalida, and Sir Jofit Dayok, Youth Formation Coordinator, the GAMES GPP continues to thrive and inspire people to foster health and immunity, especially amidst this pandemic.
Malaki ang naitutulong ng gulayan sa paaralan sa mga nag-aaral dahil sa sustansya na dulot ng gulay. Mula rito, ako bilang isang magulang, nakasali ang anak, ganun din isa sa mga volunteer na nagluluto at nag-aahin at nakapansin ko ang pagbabago sa kanila.
Ako si Ginoong Domingo Armilano, GPP Coordinator ng General Gregorio S. Alonia Memorial Elementary School. Napakalaking challenge sa akin. Napaunlarin ang ating gulayan sa paaralan sa tulong ng ating punong guro, Ma'am Mary Ann B. Pascua, na sumusuporta sa mga advokasya at innovations para mapapaganda at mapapaunlad ang ating paaralan sa panahon ng pandemya. Sa ngayon, mayroon kaming programang Project Growth na naglalayong matugunan ang pangangailangan ng bawat pamilya tulad ng mga gulay na nagmumula sa bakuran. Mayroon din tayong pinopromote na integrated farming o livestock farming gaya ng rabbitry, chickens, and ducks. Dahil dito, nagpapasalamat kami sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta, sa mga stakeholders na walang sawang tumutulong sa ating gulayan sa paaralan tulad ng IIRR, City Agriculturist Office, LGU Barangay and Provincial Agriculturist Office. Maraming salamat sa lahat sa inyong pagtulong. Asahan po namin na patuloy naming paunlarin at ipagpatuloy ang advokasya sa GPP o Gulayan sa Paaralan program para sa mga mag-aaral ng GAMES.